Alright guys, trying, how many sets do you guys think we're gonna do today? 2 or 3?
Right, 2 for sure.
Oh, there goes something across the road to the left. Alright, well we're out on our way. Set number 3 here. These guys went out the other day after our first 2 sets together and no luck there. Well, it's 18 degrees out right now, full moon, no clouds.
Well, it doesn't feel like 18.
No.
What does it feel like?
A little crisper.
No, it feels warmer.
You think?
Yeah.
Well, we got the heat on in here.
Maybe that's why.
Maybe that's why. Which I think is fine. I think we should double up because one time, wasn't it when you were with Ted here last time? Did you guys have 3 come in or something?
Might have been 4.
It might have been 4.
Nice.
Well, when I was here, more than 1 came in, and somebody shot one out east window. Maybe Ted or you. It wasn't me. I was just running around in there. Might as well have been doing laundry in there.
Thursday and Friday though, chance of snow up north.
Yeah.
How far north are you going?
Way to as far as you can.
Yeah.
I mean,
Oh, look.
hang on.
Deer just crossed the road here.
I want to see your buddy.
Just a single one. That was weird.
Yeah, and then we do these brothers' place. I'd be tempted to do that up in the south. There's tracks all over the mud.
Bunny.
Not stopping for you.
Well, animals are moving.
Yeah, everybody's out and about.
It's a good thing. I think this little cold spell here might be good for
What's
us.
this about? Yeah, the colder the better.
Yeah.
They do come in when it's real cold. The better, that's for sure.
All right, well,
Worst thing.
stay tuned. We're gonna slam some hogs here, hopefully, and hopefully we'll get some footage for you.
Yeah, just I'm sick of not coming in on food sounds, but I can't not do it. Because it shouldn't scare them. Okay. That's the shack right there. Yeah. And I've shot a ton of coyotes here, but it's fine where it is. Okay. They either come down this line or they come from behind us and they cross right when we cross the camp. Her dog when you're ready.
Nice.
Her dog, her dog.
Just was it male?
Male.
Nice fur or no?
That's average. Average. Pretty good size one. Get that big freaking pile of dung off there.
Yeah. Just grab it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was almost a miss, huh?
That's why I brought that box.
Yeah.
I want to shoot my gun. Yeah, it's a decent coyote.
Yeah.
I'll skin it.
Yeah, if I can keep that skull, that'd be great.
Yeah, I'll give it to you. Pretty standard issue. Not
Furred up better than I thought it was when I was looking at it out there.
gorgeous. It's not ugly. It's just
Higher than fuck, isn't it? Did it just dump that?
yeah. I shook that out of him.
Oh, he stuck to him?
Yeah.
Or it's hanging out of his ass?
Yeah, I shook it.
Yeah. Boy, that's a high fucker, ain't it, buddy?
Yeah.
Trying to shoot the box.
Yep.
I knew I saw that come off his back. Oh yeah, you gotta. I mean, it looks like great.
All right, that was set one there
That one at the shack was a pop.
at the shack.
Next set's gonna be the windmill.
Next is the windmill, huh?
On to number two.
So
The windmill's the better of the two sets.
really,
Yeah.
and these guys were just saying, every time they went to the shack here, they've called in a coyote.
Feels like. You ever have one not come in there?
Not that I can. I mean, maybe once. But,
Is it?
Yep.
So
It's a good percentage.
It's a
spot.
high
yeah, that's great.
percentage hitter.
It worked just like it should have right there. So this next one, they call it the windmill. So stay tuned. Well, here's why they call it the windmill. Sitting right by a windmill. Spook something out.
Coyotes out of here, come in.
Hey, can you? don't think you hit it then.
I don't know if I had a little stick in front of it.
Were you on your?
It was so easy, such an easy shot. It was like 200 yards away, but it was like dead on.
Were you on your sticks?
I was only on top of bail.
Ooh.
I was dead still, but
Somebody should have met us at Lorraine's.
yeah, I was thinking the same thing, but I just can't believe I missed it. It ran. Oh, right beside the bale. It was just a little bit over the top of the hill. 200. I didn't range it or nothing, but it went this way.
Yeah, we saw it.
He did.
Yeah, it wasn't running hard at all.
The one I saw just went straight that way.
Yeah.
Straight from me.
It's like it was straight at me. I couldn't believe I freaking missed it. It sat down and everything. It's like, what the?
Oh, it sat down?
Yeah. It was looking at you guys.
Oh, it was.
Yeah, it was looking right down at you guys. I just.
It was looking at us. We were fighting over where to put the collar. The guy was looking at us.
I'm trying to get this stupid thing that's hooked on the back of my Velcro on my hat, and I'm going like this, and I look up and I go, I didn't see those guys put the decoy up there.
Sitting right at you.
It's just, but it's looking over, but it looks just like the freaking decoy, sideways, you know. It's like, and it just walks over the hill a little bit. It's like looking down here. It's like, well, he ain't gonna stick around for long. Just he was always looking at you guys, but I can't fucking believe it.